Welcome back. Well, we are watching Tropical Storm Elsa as it continues to impact the continental United States. Still a tropical storm, if you can believe it. Winds at 50 miles an hour. It's now moving northeast at 31 miles an hour, and at this point, it's impacting New England and New York. It's expected to be a tropical depression, finally downgrade within the next 24 hours. Take a look at this. You can kind of see that center of circulation still. In fact, earlier this morning, we really had one of the most organized pictures of Elsa that we had through the entirety of the lifetime of that storm, where we could really see the center and really see those rain bands. Now starting to look a little messy again. As we're taking a closer look at home, we had a few showers this morning, and even the rumble of thunder might have woken you up this morning, especially in areas like Asheboro. But at this point, what we're watching is right there, what you just saw develop, this line of low pressure. We call this a trough. As that trough moves into our area, it'll create an unstable atmosphere for us, and that'll bring us the risk of some rain and maybe even some thunderstorms. So heavy rain and localized flooding will be medium threats today, especially because some folks got a lot of rain as we would move through the day yesterday with Elsa. And as we're looking at the day today, we have some more rain on the way. Strong storm winds will also be a medium threat. And again, that's also because of the rain that we had yesterday with Elsa. All of that rain is still sitting in the ground right now. If you have a weak tree with a weak root system, well, that'll be an impact for you. You'll want to keep a close eye on that, because of course the ground will be easier to move and easier to uproot those trees with winds today. Large hail, not a huge part of our story, but definitely a possibility with these strong storms headed our way today. Sunday, we've got another impact day because of high rain chances and also a severe threat for the mountains and the foothills. Here's today's, though. It starts off in the mountains late this morning. As we get into the afternoon and evening, we have these heavy downpours in the southeastern part of our forecast area, especially. Alamance County will be one of those areas that I watch to see if some strong storms fire up. As we go through that evening commute, that continues, but by late tonight we start to dry out, and in fact even by about 7 p.m. drying out for us. Here's a look at your 12-hour forecast. Our highest rain chances in the late part of the afternoon for the Triad and for the foothills. And now for the mountains, we have some rain headed our way, and we have about a 40% rain chance as we get into 11 a.m. But for most of the day, it's a light rain chance, a few showers here and there, maybe a thunderstorm, and it's not an impact day because we really didn't have much of an impact from Elsa, so we're not adding to much rain in the mountains. But I will tell you, Sunday, that weather alert is for the mountains and the foothills with a marginal threat for severe weather. A lot of scattered showers and thunderstorms this week. Finally, by midweek next week, we dry out and warm up.
All right, checking traffic. Want to bring your attention